Did silver jump much overnight? What's gold doing? We've got to take a look at crude. And have you looked at the price of aluminium lately? Grab your coffee and let's get into it. I'm Shae Russell and welcome to your Mining Minute, coming to you from Metro Mining's Akamba barge out here in the Gulf of Carpentaria. Let's get on with it. Gold continued its uptrend overnight as weak US data gave the yellow metal a lift, boosting hopes for rate cuts from the Fed in the second half of the year. ISM data in the US showed a large decline in new business, and input costs have surged during the month of May, the move for both being linked to tariffs. Silver dipped down slightly overnight, down to $34.50 per troy ounce, largely driven by profit taking and concerns around the slowdown in US economic activity. However, copper shook off the economic gloom and remained at $4.80 per pound. The expansion of 2 copper mines and a newly commissioned one are expected to increase global copper output by 2.3% this year. In addition, refined copper production will increase by 2.9% as 3 new facilities come online. Nonetheless, the global tightening of copper supplies is expected to continue, supporting the price. While the latest round of tariff news continues to bump the aluminium price around, the overall outlook for Australian aluminium exports remains steady. Today's chart of the day from mining.com.au's mining report shows just how little aluminium Australia exports to the US. And over in energy, Brent has dipped to $64 per barrel overnight as Saudi Arabia said it may push for higher production output. The Saudis want OPEC Plus members to increase production by at least 411,000 barrels per day in August, adding to fears there may be an oil gut. Moving on to some economic numbers, and the US ADP data showed only 37,000 new jobs were added in May, coming in well below forecasts. And finally, Australia's gross domestic product grew by just 0.2% for Q1, falling short of the expected 0.4. Now tap the like button so you've always got the Mining Minute in your feed, and you'll never know where we'll end up next.